Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi, and I normally have makeup on in my intros, but you know what? It's for a purpose, I promise. So, personally, I have been on
a huge, giant, massive
skincare journey. Okay, like it has been long spanning and it has been a whole lot of trial and error. But today I wanted to give you the top 5 things that I think are super essential to my skincare routine right now. So, other than cleansers, serums, blah blah blah, these are like add-on things that I think like you can remember and like do periodically, like treatments, stuff like that, but not like everyday skincare routine. Okay, these are like things that aren't necessary, but I find that they help a lot. So first things first, number 1, okay guys, is water. Okay, so I have been trying to increase my water intake. It helps with the plumpness of your skin, helps with the dehydrations, the fine lines and wrinkles, okay? It helps with so much that you can't forget it, okay? So number 1 is water. Number 2, I found this is a Hydrodrop, technically, is what it's called. I will put the link up here for the video that I did on this little guy. I've been using it for about a month now, and I want to say that the literal smoothness of my skin, like my skin being so shiny right here, is not just because of this, but it is in a large part because of this. Does that make sense? So basically, I like the smoothness of my skin. I don't feel any underneath the surface kind of pimples. You know how, especially if you've struggled with acne or anything like that, I used to have very bad hormonal, borderline like cystic hormonal acne. And if I can find a really good picture, I will insert it here. So as you guys can see, like this is my skin right here. It was like really red, bumpy, and honestly, I was doing way too much physical exfoliation. Among other things, I was just eating garbage and all kinds of stuff. So technically your skin suffers whenever you eat badly and don't drink enough water, all of that good stuff. Points, back to the video. However, I feel can like touch my skin, and there's very minimal, if any, like bumps underneath the surface of my skin. Everything is super smooth and shiny, and I love how this performs. Check the video out. Promise you won't regret it. And if you purchase one of these, or any device that's like this, okay, you're not gonna regret it, trust me.
I'm sorry, I feel a little nasally. This morning I woke up and I was just like so congested, but I was super fine the day before. I don't know how that happened.
Anyways, number 3, okay, so I have been taking these supplements right here. I got them off of Amazon, and I will link it down below just in case if you're interested. They don't have too much sugar. They have like a raspberry kind of flavor, which I hate because I hate raspberry. So you know, if I'm still taking it, that it's got to be good somehow, some way. So basically, I have noticed a huge change in my skin as far as the frequency of my breakouts around that time of the month, and I want to attribute that to this. So I started this maybe a week before last month's period. And now, and I'm just now getting over my period, and I just would like to state that, like, the breakouts that I got were very minimal compared to how it normally is. So I got one pimple right here, and then I have got 2 pimples right there. So I normally get a bunch on my cheeks. And I think with this and this together that I'm winning here, okay? And it can't just be because I'm getting older. You guys, by the time this video is out, I've turned 32. So I would hope I'd be able to figure out something as far as skincare. You know what I'm saying? The next 2 things that I'm going to mention, I normally use it the same day, okay? And this is just when I feel like I need a little bit of extra self-care for me. And that's what I've been doing on this huge, giant YouTube break that I took, okay? I've been trying to just, take care of myself more. And one of the ways I'm doing that is Butanique's Beauty's Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Okay, so I really like these. I feel like they just are super refreshing. I got them in one of my Ipsy bags. And it's not anything different than any other typical eye gel, to tell the truth. But I just really like them. And I find that if I put them in the refrigerator really quickly, they're individually wrapped. It comes with 4 of them. 4 masks, so it has 4 individually wrapped little containers in here, and I really appreciate that, and that's what's up. And then I think the very last thing that I had loved, and if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, the link is down below, this is really, really awesome. These little stars, it comes with how many? 40 patches. And I find that if I put it on on like a pimple, like these little guys that I got, just barely a week ago, and I put it on overnight, when you take it off in the morning, you can see the little white goo on there that, where it pulled out the pimple, which is really gross, right? But it works. Your pimple is flat, it's gone, and it's on the little star, okay? So those are my 5 top add-on type essential things for skincare. So thank you guys so much. I'll be sure to link everything that I can in the description box below, except for the water, because you guys know, go get it from the faucet if you have to, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.